Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. So now let's get into today's video. Today we have come up with one of the great opportunity from TCS for both 2020 and 2021 batch, and they call it as phase 2 selection. That is because TCS had conducted off-campus drive during September month, that was last month, and also they had recruited candidates in bulk. But due to huge response from all the candidates all over India, they're going to recruit again during this month. So that's the reason they call it as phase 2 selection. So within less than a month, they're going to recruit again. So here the registration end date is 15th November 2021, and both the schedule and interview dates they have not announced, but once the registration is done, they are going to announce both the schedule and interview dates. So, and the added advantage during this time is that you will be part of TCS Digital. So if you are one of the best performer during your interview process, you will be part of TCS Digital, and that is an added advantage during this time from TCS. So we can see here eligibility streams: all BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from year of passing 2020 and 2021 are eligible to apply this. So all BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, all these streams from 2020 and 2021 can apply this. And now let's see what will be the application process for this. Just log on to TCS Next Step portal, just click here on this link and then register, apply for the off-campus hiring process. And if you're a registered user, you can just log in and complete the application form. So upon submission, click on apply for drive. But if you are a new user, click on register now and choose category as IT and fill your details, then submit your application, click on apply for drive. So in order to track your status, click on track your application, and that should reflect as applied for drive. That will be a confirmation upon submission. So this is how you have to apply for this job. Now let's see. Here if you just click on registration open, you have to click on desktop site. Here you can see campus commune. Click on take me there. And if you are a registered candidate, that means if you are already having a TCS account in this, click on your email ID, password and login, then click on apply for drive. So upon applying for drive, after you track your application, that status should be applied for drive. But if you are a new candidate and if you are not having any account in TCS, click on register here. And here they have mentioned two categories, IT and BPS. Just don't select BPS, select only IT. Click on IT. It is getting redirected to another page where you have to fill all your personal details: email ID, mobile number, qualification, year of passing, test location. Your preferred test location can be given here. Enter password. So this way you have to give all your details. So upon selecting your preferred test location, so you would get location that is near to your address. So just be careful while giving test location. So upon submission, then you'll get apply for drive. Click on that and it will be given as applied for drive. So that is how you have to apply for this job. So guys, apply it as soon as possible. Even though the registration end date is 15th November, I could see a lot of network traffic for this space. If you think that you can apply it just before the deadline, that will not work because the server might get down and it will not allow you to apply. So apply right away. Also if you apply it right away, advantage will be that you will be given a test slot at the earliest. So once the registration is done, candidates would be divided into some slots, and as per that slot you will get your test link at the earliest, so that you can give your interview as soon as possible. So that is a quick information about this job. Just don't miss this opportunity. They're going to hire in bulk. Apply it right away. I'll be providing you link. Also, you can refer to other coding and non-coding jobs from some other reputed companies in our channel. So just please do check it out. And if you find this video informative, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.